Hi, thanks for watching. This is attorney Mark Mandell. I'm a partner at the law firm of Fausone Bohn located here in Northville, Michigan. If you're watching this, hopefully you watched the first video. And the first video was just a broad overview of drunk driving. So I want to get a little into some more specifics this time. As I previously had said, or if you look at my website at fb-firm.com, I've been practicing criminal defense for over 20 years. Not only have I been doing criminal defense, but I've also served as a municipal prosecutor, and I think that gives me a unique perspective on how to look at any criminal case for that matter, but in this case specifically a drunk driving. So there are three specific charges as it relates to a first offense that you could be charged with. One would be the super drunk, which is a .17 or higher. The next would be operating while intoxicated, and the third could be operating while impaired. As I had previously stated in a prior video, there is a fourth, and that's a felony drunk driving causing serious impairment of bodily function. I don't want to really get into that today. I just want to stay focused on the general three. When we look at those cases, I think what first and foremost most people ask me the question about is what's going to happen with my license. So today I just want to focus on what could possibly happen with your license. On a super drunk, if you are charged with that and convicted, you are facing a 45-day hard suspension of your driving privileges, which absolutely means you cannot drive. After that, you're facing 1 year of operating your car with a alcohol ignition interlock. You can't operate anybody else's car. You can only operate your car. And you're going to have to blow into that machine. There's multiple machines out there that the Secretary of State will allow you to use, but it can be encumbering, to say the least. So that's super drunk. And with the super drunk, it also carries 6 points. The operating while intoxicated does not, by the Secretary of State, require any type of alcohol ignition interlock. That is not to say that a judge could order, given your blood alcohol level, that an alcohol ignition interlock be placed on your car. But generally speaking, the licensing sanctions are handled by the Secretary of State, and you're facing a 30-day hard suspension of your driving privileges with a 6-month restricted license that allows you to operate your car to and from the course of employment and some general other areas. The third charge would be operating while impaired, which on the pecking order, super drunk, operating while intoxicated, and operating while impaired. The impaired is the lesser of the three charges. And in that one, your license is not hard suspended, but it would be restricted for 90 days. Then finally, as it relates to the super drunk, 6 points on your driver's license. Operating while intoxicated, 6 points on your driver's license. Operating while impaired, 4 points on your driver's license. These are all important things you need to consider when you've been charged, and I would highly recommend that you hire counsel to help you navigate these situations, because with the drunk driving, you're facing higher insurance costs, loss of mobility as it relates to your daily life, could have a job impact, and many other serious other consequences. So if you have any questions, I recommend that you go to my law website at fb-firm.com. There's a specific section, criminal charges, that you can click on, and it'll take you right to alcohol-related offenses. There's a thorough explanation of the three charges, super drunk, operating while intoxicated, and operating while impaired, that I've just explained. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on through my website, or you can contact me on my direct line, 734-552-1449, and I'd answer any questions you have. Thank you.